You need to find the least common multiple of 40 and 150. First thing you need to do is get the prime factorization of each of them. So 40 is 4 times 10. Neither of those is prime. 4 is 2 times 2. Both of those are prime. 10 is 2 times 5, and both of those are prime. So this is 2 to the third times 5. Now 150, that's 10 times 15. Neither of those is prime. 10 is 2 times 5. Those are both prime. 15 is 5 times 3, and those are both prime. So this is 2 times 3 times 5 squared. So now our least common multiple has to have in it everything that's in any of these. So we'll start with 2. So 2, and 40 has a 2 to the third. So our least common multiple has to have 2 to the third. Has to have as many of them as the biggest one. 3, this one has a 3, so our least common multiple has to have a 3. And then for 5, we have one 5 here and 2 5s here, so we need to have 2 5s in our least common multiple. And now let's figure out what that is. That's 8 times 3 times 25, which is 24 times 25, which is something, might be 600. 24 times 25 is 600. Okay, well, what if you had 3 numbers instead of just 2 numbers? Let's say I had 48 and let's see, 48 and 28 and 180. Okay. Alright, so 48, let's see, that's 2 times 24, and 2 is prime. 24 is 6 times 4, neither of those is prime. Oh, neither one is prime, so I don't circle them. 6 is 2 times 3. 2 and 3 are both prime, and 4 is 2 times 2. Those are both prime. So 48 is 2 to the 4th times 3. Now let's do 28. 28 is 4 times 7. 7 is prime. 4 is 2 times 2, and those are both prime. So this is 2 squared times 7. 180 is 10 times 18. Neither of those is prime. 10 is 2 times 5. Both of those are prime. 18 is 9 times 2. 2 is prime. And then 9 is 3 times 3. And those are both prime. So this is 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. So our least common multiple has to have 2. This one has 2 to the 4th. This one's 2 squared. This one's 2 squared. So we need to have 2 to the 4th. Now for 3, this one has 1 3. This one has 2 3s. So we need to have 3 squared. And then we have a 5. And we have a 7. So 2 to the 4th is 16 times 9 times 5 times 7. And 16 times 9 is 144. 5 times 7 is 35. 144 times 35 is 5,040.